Hey everyone, welcome to Trout Pro. I'm Emma and I work here at Trout Pro. Today, I'm going to be telling you about the different types of fishing rods, but this is only part 1 of the series, so make sure you keep an eye out for part 2. Also, we just came out with a new product, our spring fly fishing crate, so make sure to check that out. It will be in the link in the description box below. The first, least expensive, and simplest rod is a cane pole. Cane poles, usually made of a bamboo cane segmented into 2 or 3 parts, do not utilize a reel, but rather have a fixed length of line attached to the end of the pole. Cane poles are usually 10 feet or longer, allowing the angler to compensate for not being able to cast. Typically, an artificial fly or a hook rigged with live bait is used with this rod. Unfortunately, I don't have a video for this one, but a cane pole is useful for catching trout on small streams and panfish in ponds, especially fish that are close to shore. It can also be useful if you are on a boat. Next, let's discuss a spin cast rod and reel. Spin cast combos tend to be relatively inexpensive and very easy to use, though not necessarily very durable. The stationary reel is enclosed. The line on the reel is covered by the reel. It is useful for catching panfish, trout, bass, and catfish. Because casting with this type of combo is as simple as pressing and releasing a button, this is probably the #1 choice for beginners. Spin cast reels are well suited for casting light to medium weight, live bait, or lures. Oftentimes, these rods are 2-piece, usually 5 to 6 feet long. A Zebco 33 rod and reel combo spooled with 8-pound test is probably the most versatile starting point for the beginner. Next, we have a spinning rod and reel. This reel may also be called an open face reel, since the line on its stationary spool is open to the environment rather than being covered by the reel. It is useful for catching panfish, trout, bass, catfish, and saltwater fish, many of the same fish as on a spin cast combo, plus a number of others. Spinning combos range in size from ultralight casting light or very light lures, specifically for trout or panfish, up to large combos used for catching giant freshwater catfish or surf fishing in the ocean. Spinning combos range in price greatly, from economic models to some costing hundreds of dollars. Spinning rods are usually but not always 2-piece and have an extended butt section. Ultralight rods can be under 5 feet long, while most spinning rods are around 6 feet long. Surf fishing rods can be somewhat longer. Spinning reels, though, are a little more complicated to cast than spin casts, since you need to flip the bail and hold the line with your finger at the beginning of the cast. Spinning combos are very versatile, more durable, typically more expensive, and slightly more complicated than spin cast. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Don't forget to keep a lookout for our second part to this video. Also, feel free to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up with all the latest here at Trout Pro. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our email list. All of this will be linked in the description box below. Bye!